What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Freedom Renovations. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of our videos. As you can see behind me, guys, I am standing outside of the finished kitten house. This is such an exciting day. This has been an adventure. This was a disaster of a house, tons of water damage, abandoned animals, but we finished it and it turned out amazing. If this is your first time visiting our channel, guys, we take abandoned, nasty homes and turn them into dream farmhouses. So if you like that kind of stuff, you love the farmhouse design, make sure you stop right now, smash that subscribe button, because you are not going to want to miss out on what we have coming for the rest of this year. All right, guys, without further ado, let me take you around and show you this finished build. Here we have it, this beautiful new farmhouse. As you'll remember before, there was a hideous carport here. We went ahead and tore that down, took this gate out, created a beautiful wing fence, and just created an awesome curb appeal on this little place. We did that white and black farmhouse exterior, refinished the garage, painted it black to give it that nice accent piece. I love the way this house turned out. This is by far the nicest house on this entire street and looks amazing. We went ahead and took out all those bushes that were blocking the front of this place. Opened this entire front yard up and just really brought this place back to life. I know you guys were hesitant about taking those bushes out. Some people commented, leave the bushes, but I think it was such a smart decision. Really opens up this space, and there is still plenty of shade and plenty of growth to keep this yard nice. As you'll notice, we took and put a brand new front door on this place, all brand new windows. That black and white paint looks beautiful. Put some black bark down just to give it a little accent in the front. And I am in love with the way this turned out. Those new outdoor lights just really pops and looks great, guys. So here we have it, the 1,080 square foot new little farm home in Northern California. It turned out awesome. On this right-hand side, guys, we went ahead and just trimmed back all the bushes. You see that brand new exterior paint, newer HVAC system, brand new wing fence. You see those brand new exterior windows, the white paint with the black trim just really pops and creates a beautiful little home in this quiet neighborhood. You'll notice there's still some lush growth in the front, creating lots of privacy, lots of shade, and just awesome curb appeal for this little place. So without further ado, guys, let's get you inside and show you this showstopper. But before we do, let's take a quick look at before. Alrighty, guys, welcome in to this beautiful new farmhouse. As you will notice, all new paint, all new floors. We went ahead and took out that hideous wall unit AC, put all new baseboards, all new overhead lighting, and brought this living room back to life. I am so happy with how this turned out. We did a new thermostat on the wall. This is a Dover white paint. These are white oak floors. 10 inches wide, really opens up this space and just makes it feel nice and grand when you walk in. There's that new farmhouse door. So much lighting coming in here in those new windows. Just adds some natural light, really warms this space up and makes it feel nice and big when you walk in. I am so happy with how everything turned out in this home, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. We did the wall-mounted remote lights with dimmable switches, all brand new electrical outlets in here, all brand new switches. Just really feels nice and new and leaves nothing to change. Alrighty, guys, before we head into that showstopper of a kitchen, let's take a quick look at before. Guys, welcome into this beautiful new kitchen. As we walk through, you have a dining area for a nice little table and this beautiful, stunning new kitchen. That really gives you a semi-open concept right into the living room, allows you to sit here, cook dinner, have a conversation with your kids, your family that's sitting on the couch, and really just keeps that open concept feel. We did all brand new shaker cabinets that are soft close, white quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, all new appliances, black handles, just turned out beautiful, guys. Over on this side, we did the subway tile all the way to the ceiling. I think that's such a cool added touch. My tile guy was not excited about it, but I think it was such a good decision and looks awesome. Brand new sink, brand new faucet. This is pretty much a brand new house. All brand new lighting. We went ahead and eliminated any overhead lighting, did can lighting, and really just modernized this whole entire space. To the right of us, we have our laundry closet. We went ahead and did 10-inch matching handles just to give it that added little touch. 6-panel doors, and it just looks awesome. So if you're gonna have laundry right next to your beautiful kitchen, at least it all matches. We did brand new shelves in there. You have your hookups, and such a nice feature for a small home. It's hidden in there and really turned out awesome. I love the appliance package that we went with this time. We did a full stainless front range. I'm really happy with this appliance package, courtesy of A1 Appliance here in Northern California. If you guys need any appliances, make sure you hit up A1 Appliance. They're a great distributor in this area, and they will treat you guys right. So this is the appliance package we're gonna be using in all of our future homes. I think it looks great. Has a nice little griddle top, and it's just a beautiful, full stainless package. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am about this kitchen. I think it turned out beautifully, and is just such a transformation from what was here. As we head back into this living room, I went back and forth multiple times. If I was living here, would I want my TV on this side? Or you could put a sectional here, put your TV right on that little wall. I don't know. You obviously wouldn't want your kids running back and forth in front of the TV, but that might be a great option for the future owners. But I think just a cool space, plenty of room, and just an awesome, awesome home. I love the way that these floors turned out. These wide plank, white oak floors look beautiful. These are the floors we do in all of our homes. Forgot to mention over here, we have just a little pantry, just an extra space, and you're right next to your kitchen for storage. But as we head down the hall, guys, we're gonna go into this beautiful new guest bath. But before we do, let's take a quick look at before. Welcome in to this beautiful new guest bathroom. As you guys will remember before, right to the right of the doorway, there used to be these disgusting, disgusting cabinets. Went ahead and tore those all the way out, opened this entire space up, and just gave this bathroom a big fill. We did a brand new vanity, brand new countertops in here, faucets, mirrors. This is a brand new bathroom, guys. And look at that beautiful new tiled tub shower combo. These are 48 by 24 inch tiles. This is a beautiful, beautiful setup for this small house. Just looks so luxurious. You have a nice new Delta shower head, all new Delta fixtures, brand new tub, never been used, is ready for you and your family. Brand new window up there on top. I love the way that the black trim turned out. It really just pops in this space with the black on the faucet and the mirror. Looks amazing. All right, guys, let's head to our right and head into our first bedroom. But before we do, let's take a quick look at before. Alrighty, guys, sorry to disappoint, but there is no more pink paint. We went ahead and did all the same paint throughout this entire home. Brand new window, brand new fixtures, all brand new electrical outlets. This is a perfect little guest bedroom for one of your kids, an office, whatever you desire. We did brand new closet doors, brand new shelves, just a beautiful new little bedroom for you to come in and decorate and make your own. As always, we did remote control fans in every single room with dimmable lights. That is a cool feature. Create your ambiance, set the tone, whatever you're using this room for. Just a cool little feature in every single room. Just gives that little more expensive feel and just an added nice touch. As we head down the hallway, guys, you'll notice we did once again can lighting, and you'll notice this is just a hallway now with no closet. There used to be a closet here on this wall. We went ahead and framed this in. New sheetrock, new texture. You would never know that this was a closet. And I will show you at the end why we did that. Let's head to our right, but before we do, let's take a quick look at before. Alrighty guys, welcome in to guest bedroom number 2. Matching as the first one, same fan, same floors obviously, brand new baseboards, brand new windows, just a beautiful view of your new backyard. This room is a little bit bigger, so your kids can fight over which room they get. Brand new closet doors, all brand new fixtures. We did the black handles in here just to match everything. Once again, brand new closet shelves, ready for your clothes, ready for you to come in here and put your touch on it. So just a beautiful second bedroom. These are decent sized bedrooms for this small house, and I really love the way this turned out. Alrighty guys, right across the hall we have the showstopper, the master suite. But before we do, let's take a quick look at before. Alrighty guys, welcome in to this beautiful new master suite. As you will notice, beautiful new floors, brand new fixtures, and the new added sliding door that gives you access to your backyard. Such an awesome touch to this bedroom. There was no exit to the back of this house before, so we went ahead and we thought, well, what better spot to add it than the master suite? So my vision for this house is somebody can build a beautiful patio off this back door, put a jacuzzi back there, have access from their master suite to just create their own oasis. Brand new closet doors, brand new shelving, decent sized closet for all of your clothes. Goes deep that way and deep that way. Plenty of room for his and hers clothes. This slider really turned out awesome, brings some natural light into this home and just really gives you a nice touch. You can open it up in the middle of the night, let some cool air in, and just really enjoy your master suite. Alrighty guys, let's head into that master bath, but before we do, let's take a quick look at before. Guys, welcome into this beautiful brand new master bathroom. You'll notice a new vanity, new mirror, brand new lighting, and the showstopper, this brand new walk-in shower. That right there is why we knocked out that closet. We went ahead and pushed this wall all the way back and built this beautiful walk-in shower. This was just a 1.5 bath before, guys, which is not ideal. You want that second bathroom. So now the future owners, the parents, have their own master suite, which is beautiful. We went ahead and did a hexagon black floor, and I'm so happy with how these finishes turned out. It just looks fantastic. Those 48 by 24 porcelain marble tiles just look beautiful. You have a rain head, shower head, and just plenty of space to enjoy this beautiful bathroom. Brand new overhead window to let some natural light in. open up, vent out your bathroom. Beautiful brand new vanity. Beautiful top. Just an awesome space, guys. And of course, a brand new mirror to make sure you're looking right. Alrighty guys, well that is our master suite. I think it turned out beautiful. I think it's an awesome new space for somebody, especially with that 6-foot slider in here to bring in some natural light, give you access to that beautiful backyard, and just have your own little retreat space in this small home. So as we head out of this master bedroom, guys, we'll head back down the hallway into your beautiful living room and head through and check out this new garage. It is still just a garage, guys, but such a better space than what it used to be. Let's take a quick look at before. Alrighty guys, welcome in to the newly renovated garage. We didn't do much out here. We went ahead and put some can lighting out here, had the painters do a fresh spray. The texture guy went ahead and fixed all of the texture out here. We put a brand new window and just created a nice clean space for you to park your car, have a little workshop, do whatever your heart desires. We did all new electrical outlets out here. So with some GFIs, you are ready to go and do all the things you need to do in your brand new home. So just a nice, cute 2-car garage. We did a brand new door for this exterior door, did all new trim, all new door handles, matched everything, and made it look amazing. Let's go ahead and head outside, guys, but before we do, let's take a quick look at before. Welcome out to this brand new backyard, guys. There is no more trash, no more overgrown trees or shrubs. We went ahead and trimmed everything down. This beautiful new exterior paint. You see all the brand new windows out here. We went ahead and painted this new exterior door black, gave it new outdoor lighting, took down the carport, clean this entire place up. You'll notice the brand new wing fence with a walk gate, laid down black bark, and just gave the new owners a fresh new start. That is pretty much the only thing that the new owners are gonna have to do. Create a sprinkler system out here, plant whatever they want, and just create their dream backyard. You have a nice little garden shed back here, plenty of room for all your storage. We trimmed down all the trees, cleaned up all the grounds, and just created a fresh new slate for the future owners. As you'll notice, this is a huge backyard for this small home. Plenty of room to create a patio, put a fire pit, put your trampoline here, put a little pool, whatever your heart desires and whatever you vision for this space, there is plenty of room. You will notice there is all new siding on this entire home, all fresh paint, all the brand new windows, your beautiful new slider into your master suite, and just a fresh start. I love the new outdoor lighting out here. You have your brand new wing fences. Just a cute home, guys. This is the perfect starter home. I can't say it enough. I would totally live here. If I was looking for my first home, this would be it. Beautiful lush trees, just a nice, peaceful backyard. So I hope you guys like this transformation. This place really turned out beautifully. As always, have a blessed day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next build, and we'll see you on the next build.